is the Aussie dollar on the H4 time frame. When I last spoke about it last week, I was anticipating that if it does break below this point, we could see it go lower at this level. It's void already because it hasn't broken. What we could see now is that, I'll move this away first. What we could see now is that it's been supported at this 7233 level. What I'm looking for is for it to now slowly move up, just because it's bouncing off, just because it looks like it's a bit of a profit-taking move, it's a bit of a retracement at this point, some dollar weakness still being applied, but with the Aussie news coming out, with possibly weaker Aussie dollar, with the stability in the dollar, in the US dollar data being released, I think that we could see it track back down and test that 7233 support level again. So what you should be looking out for at this point is like what happened late last week. I'm looking for it to test that 7316 level and reject. So you should be looking to sell below 7291, a very tight stop loss of about 30 pips, a good take profit level of about 60 pips. You're still looking at a almost 1:2 risk reward ratio towards the downside, back towards the 7233 support level. I think that at this point, there will be a little bit more to wait for the Aussie dollar. A lot of patience required, but I'll be looking to sell below that point. Before that, don't do anything. I think that even if it does track up towards that 7395 level, if it does track upwards, it would be actually a better opportunity to look for selling opportunities rather than to try and trade up and then back down again. With that said about the Aussie dollar, looking at the Kiwi dollar here, we've seen it consolidate. We thought it was going to break lower. It hasn't done that. At this point, again, I think similar to the Aussie dollar, I think it might track back up a little bit before, track back up a little bit before, I'm moving my chart instead, before moving back down again. So what you should be looking for here at this point is almost the same pattern as the Aussie dollar, but what we have here is possibly a better selling opportunity as it reacts to that resistance level, same as what it did late last week. We could be looking for selling opportunities below 7056. You would have a 40 pip stop loss for first an 80 pip take profit level, or even a 120 pip take profit level towards the downside. So what you're looking for here is an possibly setup which could get you a 1:2 or 1:3 risk reward ratio towards the downside for the Kiwi dollar. So quite a few things to look forward to at this point, not just for the Aussie and the Kiwi dollar. We do see a lot of other trading opportunities across the board, but I'll share more with you in detail as we look towards the coaching call tonight, and also take advantage of this as a setup towards next week with more trading opportunities.